sister Anna is 11 and my brother James is now 7. The day that my mom had my sister, I was actually in northern Kentucky at a summer camp. My dad got a call that my mom was in the hospital, so we drove all the way to Louisville where my mom was so I could be there when my sister was being born. I remember thinking, wow, I'm actually going to have a friend in the house I can mess around with. When Anna was born, I was beyond excited to have a cute little baby to take care of, even though my family was a wreck with moving cities, changing schools, and workplaces. 4 years later, my brother had the audacity to be born on Easter morning. My 12-year-old self was super excited to eat candy, go on an Easter egg hunt, and go Easter present fishing, which is a family tradition. I walked into my mom's room at 8 a.m. to her having contractions. I was 12 years old and I did not know what to do with this. She told me to get my sister's Easter basket ready and put it out and she had to go to the hospital. My grandpa came and picked up me and my sister to go to Panera. Shortly after this, my grandpa gets a call that my mom had James. My mom had James in 2 hours. My mind was blown because usually labor takes several hours of pain and agony. These are some pictures of my brother, and here's some family photos of my family.